Get back up on the shoulder? I am one of them, and so are you. So let's just praise the Lord. Hey, little pretty baby.
So that's what
hey, little pretty girl.
Dude, you got some pretty eyes.
Oh, can I get baby shark? Of course. You're welcome. Is this your sister? I think Sissy's over there.
Now let the games begin. I wish I had an umbrella. Now here go the real football, huh?
It's the second person that dropped the ball.
Football in the rain, baby. Football in the rain.
It's the second person that dropped the ball, bro. Carry him out here. Hey, I dropped the ball.
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
Hey.
Give a man some water.
Go, kid.
Look like somebody finna make a touchdown.
I'm gonna drop. You got me mixed up. I ain't gonna stand up. Got it for yours. Yeah, say what? Hey, man, I can't see. Touchdown.
That's it.
That's touchdown.
That's touchdown. That's touchdown. In the blitz. Thank you. Hey, hey.
Oh, let daddy on him.
Down.
Little Polio came out the polo shirt on. Y'all see little Polo?
Hey, I'm not gonna use you. He don't hurt. Lift the ball back. Just go. Lose the ball. You was ball in his head. Yeah, ball in his head. He saw his dad. He went down.
Yeah. Go color.
Taisha did that, y'all. Taisha did that, dog. You was out there on that field, man? You play for Darling? Yeah, what's your name?
Matthew.
Matthew. That boy in that thing. That boy in that thing.
So gross.
Yeah, give her a hug. Give her a hug.
Yeah, let's go with that. Get it. Get it.
This is a beautiful scene. Everybody having a wonderful time. God is so good. God, we over here at St. James Place. They playing tackle football. No touch over here, buddy. Already. Football go hard. We got them over here. Chalk on the ground. Playing with the balloons and the balls. Then we got the baseball over here. Baseball instructions going hard. Then we got the soccer over here. Soccer going hard in the paint. Then we got the boxing class over there. Volleyball. Volleyball. I said two little boxes over there. Boxing class going out. Then we got the swings. And then we got the arts and crafts. Everybody having a good time in the Lord, y'all. God is so good. And we have music lessons. Phone on the ground. Football going too hard. Still pretty. Look at that.
We're getting all sparkled up. You know, it's gonna stand. We'll do
Cool. Look at that, man. Tatted up. I gotta get this tat over here though. That's off the chain. Let's set it up.
Some glitter on it.
The music lessons going on. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, do the man, do the man. I'll go hard too in the rain, huh? Oh. Soccer go hard in the rain too. Oh, stop! Hold up, baby. All right, baseball go hard in the rain. Oh, oh.
Here, turn around this way. We'll do it this way.
Whoa!
You're really good.
I'm talking about.
Right. Well, you understand?
Almost.
If you point down on the second.
So you tired of putting their face in the dirt?
Getting old, being good.
You ready?
Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, interceptor! Say cheese. Say what's up, girl? You got tear everywhere, man. Coochie down, tear it up. Tear it up. Tear it up. That's tight.
You want me to paint him or you want to paint him?
I love cats so much.
I don't think I could paint him. No.
Monkey, no. Monkey, no. Okay.
All right. Well, you know how to face paint, man. You got that, huh? Yeah. Say who's next? Who's next?
He's making me a full cat.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now what you have to do. Oh, yeah. It's raining though. It's really showing up. Let me go right at
It's really raining. We're going to see
Hey, you need to roar. Get a picture of him roaring.
He's silly. Okay, let's see who's gonna be the last one out in the rain, y'all.
The boy can't go by with the last one in the rain.
Them kids all right in the rain?
Am I making this my guess?
I love cats.
He keeps saying love cats. Oh, what you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? Where you going? Where you going? What about that chalk on the table? Does it get messed up if it get messed up in the rain?
Here, let me go get it.
Wow. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4.
Jacqueline. Hey. I like it. Cute.
Get out the rain, baby. Be messed up. Let's go. Say we love the rain face.
Love the rain.
Yeah. Spider-Man, I ain't see you, bro. Look at that. Da 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 da. Yep, I remember games like this. This one you can hit real hard. Coming around the mountain. So we still got the swingers, the baseball players, and the football players. Who's gonna be the last one to come out the ring? Football players. I don't know. Look like baseball. Oh, they coming in. They coming in. I don't know. Look like they kind of wild on the swing set. They kind of wild on the swing set. Oh, yeah, they still they last one standing. Give me that love the rain face. Give me that love the rain face. Ah!
Let it rain, let it pour, Jesus. So get ready. Boom, boom, boom. I learned basketball today. Oh,
Oh, that's our swinger. We got our swinger back in now. She's out of the ring. What up, what up? All right, football is officially over. Done. Yeah. So that's everybody.
I pray that we will protect them and that we have affected them throughout their lives and through our work. Amen.
Lord, Heavenly Father, thank you for bringing us all out here today, Lord. And thank you for all the opportunities that you've given us, whether it's just with a little kid or playing football with all the guys. Thank you for giving us as children that just are so drawn to us that you're giving us a chance to show you through us. Please bless us, Lord. Please bless us in the way that we talk and that the ways that we interact with them. And just use us to spread your word, Lord. Thank you for bringing us here, and thank you for everything. The rain, the fun, the food. Just thank you, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Brother John, you got any words?
Get in the rain again, get in the rain again.
I don't want to get in the rain.
Yeah.
Come on, Daniel.
Yeah, we out here doing apartment ministry, man.
Just do his hair.
All right, I'm gonna call you when we finish this up. All right, all right. Big Chris, like what it do, Big Chris?
What's up, what's up?
Oh, in this thing, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Already. Oh, look at that, hold that little leg. We're still out here going hard for Jesus Christ. What it do? What it do? Yeah. They still spraying water in the rain. That's gotta be fun, huh? Chateau. We made some football games, baby. Big Greg, say what's up for Facebook. That's Greg doing his thing. Me neither, but it looked fun in the rain. They got that else. I'm gonna take my shoes off. This is the only white pair of shoes I got. I'm gonna take them off.
I want to pick them J's on.
Big Tim, Big Tim about to wait for about the J's, man. They're
already old, so
that Big Jason over there. What up, Big J? Becca just doing hard over there in the paint dance.
They're gonna teach me how to Dougie in a minute.
Already. Tracy, you gonna get out there and learn how to Dougie too?
You know how to Dougie?
All right, Facebook, she actually do. I know how to Dougie.
Do you? I know.
Very good.
I never knew how to dance, but y'all know I'm gonna try my best over and over again. Man, look at that. Come on, check the water. Okay. Okay. Hello, what can I help? Are you taking the shirt? Come on, girl. Come on, let me see what you got. Girl, you got to twirl. Everybody wish they could twirl. Come on. Come on now. That's what I'm talking about.